All right, here in Alabama, getting ready to go out and do a little fishing. Stay tuned. Where do you want me to go? Yeah, this is a nice, this is a pretty nice setup they got here. I can't make that jump.
Oh, I didn't know it was that far. They're fishing the bottom out here.
All right, thanks for tuning in. I'm here in Alabama, gonna spend the day fishing with my son. We're on Logan Martin Lake, which is one of my favorite lakes to fish. Stay tuned. Drum. No, yeah, drum. Oh well, fish is a fish. First fish is a freshwater drum. He hammered it too.
First drum I've seen caught over here.
Yuck. Man, the way he hammered it, I thought it was going to be a good one. Oh, there wasn't. I just missed another one.
Got a little deeper, huh? Mark it out.
It's a good one too, whatever it is.
I won't surprise me if it's a striper. It's pulling drag like it may be. Be a net or no?
It's another drum. Can you believe it? He swiped at it.
Multi-species.
So far, all I can catch is drum. What the heck was he doing there? It's another drum, I think. Can you believe it?
Oh, a little school of drum on it.
I'm the drum master. They're just dinky little drum too. I'm using my little homemade hair jig here, and I'm catching drum. It's not what we're looking for, but I have a feeling I'll catch what I'm looking for here in a minute. Oh boy, I think I just missed one. Boy, those aren't even big drum. Those are just little guys. They do fight pretty good. My buddy CJ'd be wanting those. He eats them.
Drum?
Yeah. If it's a drum, I'm going to be upset. Nope.
Right where I told you you'd probably catch one.
It's a good fish, too. Largemouth.
Yeah, it's a decent one.
That's a 1.5 pound largemouth. On my hair jig. The first desirable species. Boy, I had to really finesse them to get them to bite. I can tell you that much. Oh, spotted bass.
Yeah,
You kidding?
another drum.
Another drum.
the heck?
Well, I can
I
catch them.
I haven't seen a drum out here. And there's a lot of fish on it.
Not the species I'm looking for.
Yeah,
It's a
rock
yellow.
bass.
It's a yellow bass.
I never even seen. That's
Yeah,
the first one
it's
I've
a little
seen.
yellow bass. Is that what we're missing? Oh,
I never seen one of those in here. Have you ever caught one of those?
no, that's my first one. Well, I caught one. Nice little yellow bass. Multi-species day.
Huh.
On my jig and fluke. My son just hooked up.
That was a striper.
Yeah, it's the little stripers. That's what we're missing. Yeah. I just had one break me off. I think mine might have been a bigger striper then, maybe.
Those fins are sharp.
Yeah, they'll cut you. Grab the lure. Hurry up before all the slimes.
Damn. Throw them in the water. It's not biting like a gar.
Yeah, it's a gar.
That can't be a whole school of gar.
It's not a gar.
What is it?
I need to.
What is it?
It's a striper, I think. Yep. White bass. No, it's a striper. No, that's a white bass.
Oh, you got them deep. Oh, that's dangerous.
Nice white bass. This is what we got on the fish finder. It's what we want to see right there. Oh, yeah, that's a striper there.
Right underneath the boat. I just dropped it.
Yeah. Yep, a little stripey. We'll take it. So we're having to fish offshore to catch these fish. The water temperature is 88 degrees. It's hot. Just catching a mixed bag, multi-species. I mean, those last two white bass were decent. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Marshall.
Big one?
Yeah, it's a good fish, whatever it is. It's a good white bass.
There you go. I'm not doing one anymore. I'm getting bit.
Yeah, a little white bass. Fun.
So I guess they will hit that other Fluke Junior that I caught. Golly, there's a lot of
Yeah,
fish.
but you haven't really caught them working it, you know?
Oh, I just got hammered.
Yep. Yeah, it's starting to get fun. They're not big fish, but they're.
I think there's some bigger ones mixed in though. That's surprising. Makes me wonder now if what you got broke off on was really gar.
I think they bit me off more than broke me off. I've lost a few fish here. Ooh, yeah, boy, they're right in front of the boat.
A lot of big schools.
Ooh, you son of a gun. Missed him. There we go. I didn't miss him. This is fun. Oh, look, Mars. Am I the drum master or what?
On the Fluke?
Yep.
Man, that's
The same technique I use on Lanier. The jig and fluke. I'm telling you, it's deadly. It doesn't matter what lake you go to. It works. This is starting to get fun. We're just on an offshore point. You wouldn't, you really got to be watching your fish finder to find it.
But
No.
that might look like that.
Yeah, they're not big, but they're fun. Marshall, just grab him. That's the best way to do it.
hook too.
Yep, that's a whitey.
What that?
Yep.
That one hammered too.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this jig and fluke
This is fun.
is deadly. Catfish!
Big old catfish.
Here, let me get this.
Knocked a bunch of
Oh, it's a big one too.
I don't know. Guess I pull them out. I'll get on the boat.
Yeah, if you can, I'd get the pliers and.
Oh, you have the pliers. What'd you do with them?
Here.
You want to get them on video?
Yeah. I'm trying not to fall in. It's a big old channel. Oh, heck, I think that's probably 8 or 10 pounds.
Where's the hook? Which way is the hook in? I can't tell.
There we go.
One way to do it.
Never know what you might catch here.
Slime.
Okay, now it says we're in 6 feet of water. I know that's not right. This one hammered it here. Yeah, I don't want to jinx myself, but I think this is better fish.
Oh, just missed another one.
Mars, oh, he's got me around. No, I guess. Yeah, this is a little better.
What is it? Right?
I think this is a small. I can't tell.
I missed him at the end of my cast. Now I'm not getting bit. I still think you're getting more bites on that swim bait.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit better white bass.
I don't really want to change solution. But I might have to get one of your swim baits.
I got 100 of them. Yeah, this is getting fun. You know, we struggled this morning, didn't catch very many. I mean, sometimes you just got to take what the lake gives you. That fish finned me on my leg and he pooped all over my shoe. Hey, there's a golden eagle.
Dang it, I just missed one.
Where'd they go? They moved. Oh, I missed him.
I don't see as many on the ground.
Ah, he hit me again.
Oh, never mind. They're right here. They're right underneath the boat.
Sometimes the shade from the boat will attract them. So it's a busy day. We're here on a Sunday. A lot of boat traffic. Doesn't hurt the fishing at all. If anything, it seems to have helped it. But I think it's just, like you say, I think maybe it is just later in the day. Yeah, this is fun fishing. So our problem right now is it's getting hot enough that we don't, you know, it's getting hot. I don't know how much more I can take. Slowed down on us and my son switched to the hair jig and it's a big whitey, isn't it? Or is it a hybrid? I think that might be a hybrid, small hybrid.
First cast with this jig. I think it's small hybrid.
Yep. Small little wiper, yep.
Drag, huh?
Yeah, I got my drag set a little loose. Just
I got big fish of the day.
Oh, the catfish?
Yeah.
You gonna count that?
Oh,
You gonna count that cat? Uh-oh, Marshall.
You got a net?
No. I think it's just, it might be a little striper. Yeah, look out, they're stout. Yeah, it's a little.
You got a little green to them.
No, that's just a big white bass.
That's a really big white bass, isn't it? For a white bass?
Yeah, that's a good. You know, it's a nice 1.5 pound, maybe 2 pound whitey. I'll take that all day. when the fishing's tough, you take what the lake gives you. I just like catching fish, so no complaints out of me. I've broken double digits now, so.
We both have to be pretty close. I don't know what I'm at.
Yeah, this is fun fishing. You know, I'll take this. Heat of the day, middle of the summer. It's, you know.
What is up with them hitting it when we're in the fish again?
That's white bass for you.
Hitting it when you pop it.
We got white bass, little stripers, caught a yellow bass, catfish. I mean, you just never know what you're going to catch.
This lake is known for multi.
Really enjoy this lake. It's one of my favorite lakes to fish.
He's large now. We haven't caught a spot.
We haven't caught a spot today. Isn't that something? I try to get up, you know, get over here as much as I can, but it's a, you know, it's a 3.5 hour drive. Well, I think it's kind of neat catching that little yellow bass. I don't think I've ever caught, well, maybe I caught one before. This is my kind of fishing here, open water.
My graph says I'm on 4 feet of water.
Yeah.
So much stuff on the
open water, small jigs. You know, this jig and fluke is just a jig with a piece of rubber on it. That's all it is. My kind of fishing. It's another big white bass, big one. Those are fun. Those are decent sized whiteys too. Yeah, that's another. That might have been a hybrid. I don't think so though. It wasn't shaped like one. So this jig and fluke has produced a lot of fish for me this last year or so.
Thought I heard the.
And it does work on any lake you go to. As long as you got shad or herring or whatever, the bait fish, it is deadly.
It's not very durable.
No, you will go through some. You got to have a supply on hand. I mean, you can super glue them if you want to take the time, but I never do. Yeah, we got some hybrids showing up. That's a bonus. Stripers. So we got stripers, wipers, white bass.
Where's that pin at?
There we go. That is fun. I think it's a big whitey.
You see where Lame Big Fish had 20% off Shimano again?
On what?
20% off all Shimano.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, they got to keep on there. I want to buy a couple new spinning rods.
Oh, well, email it to me. This is a little striper here. Just a little stripey.
Geez, what? I never have seen stripers here before.
It's good, consistent action. I mean, it's fun. I am not complaining at all. You know, we fish shallow, you know, trying to catch bass. I did catch one largemouth. He caught a couple of spots.
Oh yeah, I caught that spot on the shadow thing.
But we came out to this open water type
Missed another one.
area. And, you know, I want to catch fish. I'm not particular either. I'll catch anything.
I missed one.
These white bass and stripers and white bass, they're hybrids. They're fun. Multi-species day. Even the drum are fun. They're fun to catch. This is a blast. I love this lake. We fish this lake. I don't think we've come here and never, both of us catch at least double-digit fish.
One of my favorites.
We're sitting at about 14 feet right now, and my fish finder here says we're in 6. There's so much bait. So it's basically the same stuff I do at Lake Lanier will work on any lake. Find the bait, you'll find the fish. It just works. So there we go. one too.
What was it?
It's a bass. Another largemouth. Largemouth number 2. Man, it's a pound and a halfer on the trusty jig and fluke. Get you a spinning rod, some 8-pound test, either an 1/8 or a 1/4 ounce jig head, and a fluke. That's all you need. All right, thanks for tuning in. Water temperature was 90.8 today. Way too hot. But glad I got to get out and fish with my son. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and fish with us next time. This is what we fished out of today. It's a really nice boat. And I do believe the facilities are a little nicer here in Alabama than we have in Georgia. Really nice boat ramp. Yeah, the water temperature, the surface temperature was 90.8 today. Way too hot. We're lucky we caught any fish at all, but we always catch fish when we come here. It's a great lake. I love this lake. And the facilities out here are really nice. So it's a nice place. You can kind of see behind me here. You know, got a nice bathroom over here. Got I don't know, pavilions or whatever you want to call it. It's a nice place. Logan Martin Lake. If the bass aren't hitting, you can fish the white bass or the wipers or the stripers or the... I caught a yellow bass today. We caught a catfish. We caught a bunch of drum. You know, just a multi-species day. It's a fun day.